today is our bee day. So we did some stuff on bells, since bells starts with B. We sang our song, Christmas bells are ringing and jingle bells. We made some little paper bells out of paper cups, as you can see inside here. We took a piece of tin foil from the kitchen and we wrapped it around. We tucked in the sides and pushed in the top here. And here you have a pipe cleaner piece, which in the middle of it we made a little knot, as you can see. We made a hole on the top of the cup with a sharp knife or pointy scissors, and you put it through. And on the end here we have little foam balls, styrofoam balls, which we also wrapped up in tin foil, and we poked the little metal piece into the foam ball, and it makes our little bell. For the extra decoration, we got some little shiny papers, which we just put at the end. And there go our little bells. So those were loads of fun and very simple, which you can make at home.